Hello, my friend David.
Oh hello, George. Long time no see, right?
Yes, I'm lucky to be now with you and not with Lara Croft. She was a nightmare.
Really? 5 years ago I had a partner, who calls Lara Croft. She isn't so bad. She's really good.
And you're my friend?
Come on, George. What is or was your job?
We must find Professor Dungeon and steal the Obsidian Stone back. And we must be quicker than Lara.
Why? Must I go, too?
Yes, of course. And we'll kill Dungeon. And maybe Mrs. Croft, too.
Okay. I go with you.